Never read or handle client paperwork because doing so compromises privacy and undermines professional integrity. When cleaners avoid touching documents, they protect sensitive personal and business information and reduce the risk of accidental disclosure. Train staff with clear, repeatable steps. Always leave papers where they are, do not open envelopes, and never take items off-site. Use a short client script to request that workspaces be cleared before deep cleaning so teams can perform thorough services without handling documents. If a paper blocks access to a surface, clean around the item using a microfiber cloth and appropriate cleaning solution, and note the location if a client asks for follow-up. Keep a simple incident procedure so any found exposed sensitive materials are photographed only if explicitly authorized by the client, logged, and left in place or returned to the client. Reinforce this policy during onboarding and with brief daily reminders to maintain consistent practice. Common mistakes include staff casually skimming documents out of curiosity, which risks leaking private data, so emphasize ethical training and role modeling to stop that behavior. Another issue is cleaners moving papers to reach a surface, which can misplace or mix items. So teach techniques for cleaning around objects and provide tools like extension dusters to reach under stacks. A third problem is unclear client expectations leading to surprise when a desk is left partially cleaned, so use a standard pre-service checklist and brief clients to clear work areas or point out items they prefer moved. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by making it simple to find local help for home services related to privacy and cleaning needs. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, ask questions, and offer practical tips to protect client confidentiality and run better businesses.